Hi guys, Namaste, Namaskara, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Shivani and I'm vlogging today. Me and my best friend we decided to spend some time together and it was such a good day. First off, I took a bus all the way up from Hebal to MG Road. It was G9, a direct bus. And then I took an exit on the Church Street side of the metro station and found this beautiful unicorn on the way, made up of like electronic chips and stuff. It was really cool. Went to Mateo, grabbed some watermelon juice, which was so refreshing and nice. Again, exited on the MG Road side of the metro station, and I went to the multiplex where we'd book movies. Basically, we'd book movies to watch Karate Kid Legends, and it was a twin-seated multiplex. Was so amazing. I literally felt like a celebrity, and so did she because the entire room was empty. You all, it was just the two of us, and with some great food and we also had coke, which was amazing. Thing is, they basically stopped the movie during the interval so that we could place our order. They took the order and they resumed the movie. It literally felt like we were so much in control, and it felt like it was an extended version of our home, literally. If I'd have a multiplex at my house, it would probably be like this. It was so good. Trust me, it's a great experience, and if you're getting like a private seating like this, you'll definitely love it. After this, we exited and went to Malabar Gold and Diamond, and we got ourselves two silver rings. Basically, one has a sun on it and the other one is moon. The sun, I wear it, and the moon, she wears it. It marks our friendship, so it's like friendship bands slash rings. Then from there, we took the metro, exited at Indranagar, and went to Konku. At Konku, we had tiramisu dessert along with mango matcha and iced mocha. Was such a good dessert. So basically started off with dessert because we went and gave our names at Pizza 4Ps and they said 1 hour waiting. Yeah, so it's 1 hour waiting on a weekday. Can you believe it? A weekday that was not in the afternoon, it was like evening, you guys. So yes, please book in advance. They take like 1 week advance में आपको book करना होता है and then you'll be able to get seats. But it was good. We went in the walk-in and we also had really good ale and mocktail. Mine was peach and hers was mostly strawberry and berries, which was really cool and nice. Enjoyed the view, had a really good, intense, and deep conversation. Couldn't even see how the time was just flying. Days like these should come more often, trust me. Just spending time with your loved ones and enjoying the view is everything that I could tell you about. The food here is a solid 10 on 10 and the ambience is a 8 on 10. Go over here when it's raining outside or go over here when it's about to rain, when there's a little bit of sunlight in the background and you'll feel so nice. The best part about this place is also one of among the many things is they make the cheese in-house and there's a cheese station which you can view how they make them like right in front of your eyes. The cheese melts in the mouth along with the other flavors, and the pizza in itself is so soft and chewy, and the crust is perfectly made. It's such a good and a wholesome experience. I think the whole pizza, the basic standard size that they have is 12-inch. And we also went and ordered spaghetti, which was really amazing. It had got mushroom and all the flavors dancing in the mouth. It's like a heaven on a plate, heaven in a bowl. It was so good. Loved it. I've also realized one thing that when somebody films me, basically when they're trying to take shots of me eating, I feel extremely camera conscious. I don't know if it's just a new found thing that I've been experiencing these days, but it's not the case when I basically shoot videos by my own. It's only sometimes this feeling that comes in that maybe I may not look okay or something. It was just a thought that I randomly ran through in my mind when I was doing this voiceover, so I thought I should tell you guys. The look and feel of the food also is awesome. The lighting is perfect to take shots, and this is me enjoying my pasta along with the pizza, sipping some peach ale, and having a really good time. From there, we took the metro and went from Indranagar all the way up to Church Street again, and we decided to go bowling. So, the first time when me and Meghna met, after our college days was at Orion, and we went for Amoeba for the bowling itself. And I just remember those memories fresh today. It was such a nice one, although the ball kept slipping from my hand for sure, and I really thought I'll get zero on my scorecard, but somewhere I was decently passing through, and that was about it. Took these beautiful video in the metro station while going back home, and that's it for this video. See you in the next